Darren.
Hey Alan, how are you?
Very good. How are you doing?
Great. What do you got for us?
What I've got here, this is a SmartBoard. You're familiar with SmartBoards, right?
Yeah, you hook it up to a PC and you can do all kinds of cool stuff with it, right?
Right. But after a while, if it's hooked up to a PC and you don't own the room and you don't own the PC, what happens?
Well, it's software updates and it gets all out of whack and you come in here and there's some error message on the screen. And
Yeah, I've heard that sometimes you walk into a room with a SmartBoard and your meeting starts and the board is not ready because there are lots of things to update and you don't know where to start. What I've got here is I've taken the SmartBoard, I've disconnected the computer.
Ah.
So there's no PC involved here. I've taken the USB out of this whiteboard, which is here. I've connected it directly to the USB of the HDX. Okay.
So that's like a special cable you need?
No. This is just a USB cable. That's all I'm using. Directly to the HDX. This is running Wave 7 software.
Okay.
And here's what I can do. I can take it just like I did before. I'll take one of these pens, which is a smart pen. I'll double tap. You hear the beep?
Yeah. What's that mean?
The beep indicates that I've got a whiteboard up. So if I bring up a whiteboard like this,
hey,
I can now use these colors.
Well, what if you're in a call with somebody though, and you have to aim the camera over here so people can see it? Is that how it works?
No, absolutely not. The way that it works is this content here that I've just drawn here gets sent to the far side. So everybody at the far side sees what I'm doing here as I'm writing.
So it's like a snapshot. It sends a snapshot, or is it real?
It's real time. It's real time. So I've got an arrow here. I bring up the pointer. You see this pointer that I'm pointing here at this letter?
Yeah.
This pointer is also sent to the far side. So not only can I draw, but I can point to things. Let me show you. I'll bring up a slide. So I've got a USB stick also connected to that HDX.
Regular USB stick.
A regular USB stick. I'll show you. I press the thumbnails.
Wow, that was fast.
Here's a chart that we've got. This is a chart that we've been using to structure our work. We schedule everything. And let's look up here. So we see that Ashley has done the development and the UX. We just have to work on the documentation. Now, if we're talking to Ashley at the far side, she's seeing this at the same time.
Wow, this is great. This is like a super cool collaboration tool.
Let me show you. It's even more good. I can use my fingers. Watch this. I'll draw a schematic diagram. And here's our drawing. So now, let's say you wanted to, you can take this, try using the eraser.
See, I see people that erase stuff with their hands all the time, but I hate doing that because I hate getting stuff on my hands. Like, when you do this, usually you got, hey, there's nothing on my hands, but it erases.
Isn't that fantastic?
That is cool. Look at that. So I'm enjoying this so much, I'm going to erase your whole drawing because it's fun.
Thank you so much. And what you can do also is, if you have drawn something, if you draw something like this, and we're discussing let's discuss the area of a circle, and this is the radius. And I wanted to save this. Let's talk about the radius, pi r.
Oh, I know how you save it because I see people do this all the time.
How do you do it?
Well, you pull out your phone and you take a picture of it, right? And then
right.
You email
exactly.
it to yourself.
You can do that. You can take a picture with your phone, or you can press the save button. Watch this. Save.
What?
Hear that ding?
Okay.
That indicates I've just saved it. If I go back to my thumbnails, let's see. There it is. There's my chart. And the next slide, it keeps it in order, is my pi r squared.
Okay, so this is cool, but there's something going on here. This is super responsive. So is there like some kind of camera trickery going on here, or is this really happening?
This is happening as fast as you're seeing it.
Are you kidding me?
I am not kidding. This is absolutely as you see it.
This is cool.
It's very cool.
I love it.
Thank you.
Thanks, Alan.